Hey you everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gyan Ka Safar 0.7. How are you doing all my dear friends? I hope that you all will be doing great and you all will be fit and fine. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to improve English fluency. My dear friends, I have seen a lot of people, a lot of students, they want to speak English fluently. They think that if I will speak very fast or in a speed way, then maybe people will be impressed and the people will they clap and they will appreciate me. My dear friends, this is totally wrong. If you are thinking speaking very fast it is fluency, then it's not like that. My dear friends, why do we learn language? Why we learn any other language? We learn any other language just to make someone understand, right? But if you will not be able to make others understand, then what is the benefits of your language? If no one will understand your language, then what is the benefits of learning any language? My dear friends, we all are learning English language just to make someone understand or just to represent ourselves in front of the public or in front of someone, so that they can easily understand, right? But if you will think that I will speak very fast or in a hurriedly, then they will appreciate me or they will admire me. So my dear friends, it's totally wrong. If you are thinking that if I will speak very fast, then people they will appreciate me or they will say that he is a nice command of this English language. So it's not like that. My dear friends, let me tell you the definition of fluency. Fluency means like you are speaking about any topics or you are making someone understand in a proper way. Whatever you are speaking, they are getting your all the points clearly. It's called fluency. Fluency means just speak as your native language, as your mother tongue. Like how do you speak your mother tongue? Very fast? Not now. So why do you think like if I will speak English very fast, then people they will say he has a good command of this English language, he know how to speak English fluently? No, never try to speak very fast, because if you will speak very fast, then others can't understand your points or whatever you want to say. So always try to speak in a manner way or in a slow way, so that they can understand your all the points clearly and they can understand. So my dear friends, fluency means just speak slowly, not very slow or not very fast, just speak in a medium, okay, so that someone they can understand your words or sentences clearly. So these are the things that we should care if we are learning any language. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much my dear friends. If you got informative, please like this video, share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye my dear friends.